I know y'all have heard me say this probably too much, but the wind here lately has just been driving me crazy. 10 to 15 out of the northeast east every day, and kind of limits the number of places I can fish either in my boat or my kayak. So hopefully this is going to be one of those places where I can maybe get some fishing done today. A little dreary looking today. It sprinkled on me on the way here, but it's not supposed to rain. Famous last words. Whoa. I think this is a trout on top of the water. Yeah. Not too big. Alright, be still. Don't think he's a keeper. No, he's a little small. There we go. Whoa, nice. Nice. Oh, he's behind me now. Turn the kayak. Hey. Nice redfish. There we go. Get my glasses wet. That's okay. A pretty thing. He's probably 17, 18 inches. I don't like to keep them when they're less than 21 or 22. There was a big swirl over here. The well passed it and come by it. There we go. A little trout. I've caught my share of small ones here lately. I'll just jump into the boat. That was pretty. I say that every time. But they are. It's a gorgeous fish. There we go. This one's a little nicer, I think. It's pulling hard. Is that a speckled trout or a white trout? That is a white trout. Haven't caught one of those in a few years. Nice size one too. Okay. That's a nice, no, that's a speck. Look at there, he's got some specks on his end, but that sure looks like a white trout, doesn't it? He's completely bare of spots, except on his tail and his fin there. And he's got that thing deep down in there. Well, I know this is big enough to keep, so I'm going to take him home. I can get him in my net without, in my cooler without losing him. Nice fish. I think this place is so pretty. Half the joy of fishing is getting to see places like this. This natural, marshy area. Hopefully it will never be built on. Well, I'm going to go on to the channel, but I'm going to troll along the way. There we go. If I can get this thing turned around. Little trout. How about that? They're pretty. Whoa! Little redfish. He's fighting. He's small, but he's fighting like crazy. Look how blue this tail is. Isn't that something? Well, I was beginning to regret leaving that fishing place, but because I've been fishing here for 30 or 40 minutes, and that's the first fish I caught. That was a very subtle bite. Don't know what it is. Yeah, it's a nice trout. I think I'm gonna net him. He might be big enough to keep. Let's see if it's big enough. Just barely. Well, I'm sorry I forgot to show you that fish. Oh man. There we go. I think it's a trout. Nice trout. Nice trout. Oh, he got my lure in his mouth. Let go. Pretty nice. I don't think he's big enough to keep. I've already got two, but they were both fairly small. Gonna lose him. Yeah, he's 15 inches. So 3 fish will be plenty. Here we go. It's a tarpon. No, it's a trout. He thinks he's a tarpon. Oh man, he swallowed that thing. I mean, he swallowed it. I hope I can get this out without killing him. And it popped out after all that. Nice trout. I hope he survives. Well, the procure that's working today is the pinfish. I have caught more fish on the procure pinfish flavor than the shrimp flavor. Another good day fishing. Fished a little over 3 hours. Caught some nice fish. Wind was kind of tough on me, but at least I was able to get out. Go home, clean the fish, take a shower, eat some lunch, lean back in the recliner and take a little nap. So y'all take care.